Are you struggling to make your website look amazing? Say goodbye to an outdated and boring website. Add vibrant, engaging, and dynamic animations to your WordPress website in just a few clicks. Introducing Animation Addons for Elementor, the only Elementor add-on with a drag-and-drop animation builder. 150 plus pre-built websites, 10,000 section templates. It's a complete solution for creating your website with the full power of GSAP animation features, including scroll trigger, scroll smoother, split text, scroll to, morph SVG, draw SVG, text reveal, 3D text move, parallax effect, and many more. Choose from over 150 pre-built websites and import your favorite with just one click. Your site will be set up instantly with all the essential inner pages. Need extra sections? Pick from 10,000 plus section templates with beautiful animations. Mix, match, and build your perfect website. Animation Addons offers 100 plus widgets to build anything, from simple to complex websites. It includes header and footer builder, single post type builder, custom post type builder, mega menu builder, dynamic content, and everything you need to create a complete website. To boost Elementor's capabilities, we've included 25 plus extensions, giving you the tools to build more advanced feature-rich websites. The Custom Animation Builder allows you to create your own animations. This powerful tool gives you endless options to make advanced animations without any coding. Install the plugin today and enjoy 30 days money-back guarantee with 24/7 support from experts. Take your website design to the next level with Animation Addons for Elementor.